It was hot. It is hot in here in Texas, okay? So hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shanita, and on this channel we explore the strategies, tools, and tips to help you become more productive, amp up your side hustle game, as well as pay off your student loan debt faster. So if any of these topics interest you, consider subscribing. So I am back with another update reporting my DoorDash earnings for the month of August, as well as an update on my student loan debt balance. So to be honest with you, for the month of August, I'm not really sure if it was just really slow or that I just took a lot of breaks. It was hot. It is hot in here in Texas, okay? So your girl did get her AC fixed in her car, but I wasn't about to be sitting out there in that car in that heat with my AC running and my car running. Just wasn't going to do it. So I just said, listen, if I'm not getting any orders, I'm going to stay home in the AC. And that's exactly what I did. So I think that played a big factor in my overall earnings, which I'll share with you, of course. And I am completely shameless in my reporting for the month of August. To be fair, I haven't taken any vacation time off. I had the opportunity as well as the time accrued to do that, but I figured taking time off and enjoying a vacation, it should be because I've accomplished something really big. And to me, that big accomplishment is me paying down one of my student loans. So because I didn't take any vacation time off, I needed to figure out a balance. As I explained in my July earnings video, I decided that I was just going to pace myself a bit more than I initially had planned. I think in the beginning of the year in January, I was kind of like, we gonna do this. But now I'm like, it's hot. I don't think I factored in the heat, the sheer heat of the end of the summer, Texas, and realizing that that will stop you in your tracks if you are not prepared. So I'm looking forward to when it gets a little bit colder, because then outdoor seating may not be necessarily something that people would prefer to do, and therefore it might get me back into making a bit more money. Some good news is that I got my PPP loan forgiven, and then I was able to use it to do car repair as well as paying a large chunk of my student loan debt down. It helped me out a lot. So yeah, if anybody has questions about that and how that worked out, let me know. That's about it on that. So without further ado, let's talk about my earnings for the month of August, comparing August 2020 with August 2021. So it looks like in the month of August of 2020, I made $1,363.72, with my highest earnings being towards the end of August and into September. So for the month of August 2021, I averaged about $393 total for the month of August. That used to be what I used to make in a week last year. Looks like this year I took it easy. All right, so without further ado, let's pay some bills. For the month of August, I decided I was going to split my overpayments up into two different overpayments so that I can keep track of what I'm doing, because I didn't make a whole lot of money towards my overpayment goal of, I think it's like over $1,000. I made my first overpayment for the month of August in the amount of $382. I then made a second overpayment in the amount of $618 coming from my discretionary income from my full-time job. What I was aiming for here was just putting a flat line $1,000 of overpayment towards my student loan balance for the month of August. So $618 plus $382 equals $1,000 as an overpayment for the month of August. And when I say overpayment, that means that that is in addition to my standard monthly payment of $330 towards my student loan debt. So just to recap, here's what my balance looked like at the end of July, and here is what it looks like currently. All right, so I made both of those payments. There it goes. Thanks again so much for joining me here on my journey towards paying down one of my student loan debt balances. I can't even believe that we are in September at this point. So I'm looking forward to seeing how I did for the month of September, and I will be reporting it back to you right here on this channel next month. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and check out the playlist for more of my debt-free journey here, and to subscribe, click here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.